Just because your account got approved doesn't mean you're safe. Many businesses get shut down the moment their sales take off. Here's where most people miss it. In a processor's agreement, you will often see clauses like a monthly processing cap or sudden review language. This is just an example, but it is the kind of thing you want to check for. See this line? If you see a cap like 50K per month, that means once you cross it, your account could be flagged or even frozen. So while that instant approval feels good at first, it doesn't guarantee stability when your business grows. That's where Easy Pay Direct makes a huge difference. They underwrite accounts upfront and pair you with banks that actually support your model long term. You also get tools like transaction routing, which automatically spreads payments across accounts so you never hit the cap, and recurring billing if you sell subscriptions. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. They will help you know if your account is really built to scale before it's too late. If you're planning to grow, don't rely on fine print. Use the link in the description and get started with a merchant account that's designed for stability as you scale.